Thank you for joining us today. If you haven't visited our channel before, I hope that you enjoyed this one, and then you go back and listen to the other ones as well. But today what we want to do is we want to show you one of the tools that allowed us to get where we are today.
Sure do. This tool is not the magic bullet, but this tool about 10 years ago gave us the opportunity to change our lives forever. It motivated us in ways that we never thought were possible. We were just like everybody else out there, for the most part, living paycheck to paycheck. We were the people that looked great on the outside, struggling on the inside. And then one day I just got mad. We were one car repair away, if I could talk today, of having issues, right? We're going to be in the hole and behind. So I got mad and went to the internet and asked how we could become debt-free.
And today, this is the tool that was brought to you on that day, and you shared it with me, and here we are.
Here we are. So if you want to get another tool for your toolbox to give you hope, to be able to teach your grandkids, teach your kids how they also can retire early in life, how they can be able to travel like we're going to travel with our RV. This tool here is something that I think that will amaze you, and it'll make you think, and it may push you to do things that you've never pushed yourself to do before, and that's amazing, and it's a great tool to understand and watch.
And even though we are not investment coaches or...
I'm not?
No.
No.
Okay. We're not advisors. This is just something that we stumbled upon, and we took the class that it offered to be able to understand the steps that we needed to take to allow us to become debt-free.
Right. We are two average people. As you can see, we're in a shed with all our belongings that we have left after downsizing for the third time, ready for this new adventure. We don't have some big fancy studio. We haven't had in our other videos. We're just we want to show people. We've had a lot of comments on YouTube already. It's been amazing, and we want to give other people that hope. Just that hope. Or if one person can watch this video and say, you know what, I'm going to change a little bit, and I'm going to actually make some changes in my life to do this. I think you'll see that it's an amazing opportunity to learn something new. Okay. Let's fire up the computer. Let's talk about Good Growth Mutual Funds for a second. That's what this examples are going to be based off from. So back in 1997, William Roth, a senator from Delaware, put some legislature in front of the House and the Senate, and they passed the act that allows us to invest money in a Roth IRA or in your Roth 401 or 403B if they accept that, and it will grow for life. You can withdraw it after 59 and a half, and it has to be established for 5 years. I'll put up on the screen some details about that so you can read about that while we're going through this example. The cool thing about the Roth IRA is that we both can have one, we both can max out, and there's certain ages. After age 50, they call as a chance to catch up, they say, and you can do up to $8,600 a month, and up to 50, you can do up to $7,500 a month. But in today's examples, we're going to start out with an 18-year-old individual that has just started working. They have to have an income coming in, so a taxable income, to be able to do a Roth IRA. So we're going to start out at the age of 18, and we're going to say that this individual wants to retire at age 62. The first year, he's going to put $1,000 into his Roth IRA. For every month after that, from age 18 to 62, he's going to contribute $100 a month. Okay? The S&P 500 for the last 30 years has averaged anywhere between 10 and 12%. We're going to use for these examples 10%. So we're going to put 10% in there. So let's go over our numbers. We have an 18-year-old. He's going to retire at 62. He's going to start out with $1,000 in his Roth IRA. He's going to contribute $100 a month for the next 44 years at a 10% rate of interest. Remember, the stock market goes up and down. So some years may be really high, and then other years they may be low. But the average is 10 to 12%. So if this person does this, we're going to hit this calculator button, and we're going to see what they could possibly have in their retirement savings account. They could have $1,027,729 if they start at age 18, investing $1,000 in the first year and $100 a month afterwards, $25 a week. At age 62, they'll have $1 million sitting in their account. I get pretty excited about this because in 1997, we were already married. We had our second child, and we didn't even understand any of this. So if one person can teach another person on this, or your grandkids or your kids, and encourage them to do that, it's amazing. But the thing about this, it's about compound interest. So if we take the same example, and that kid or that person, young adult, waits until he's age 20 and does the exact same thing, watch this. That number drops from 1 million down to 836. It is crucial to start investing
as early as you can.
As early as you can. So if you're that grandparent, or if you're that parent that can take a young child coming out of high school or one that's coming out of college, and you can teach them these same things that we're showing you today, you can literally change their life forever. Let's take another example, okay? So let's go to an age 40-year-old. Same thing, wants to retire at age 62. And let's say that those people hadn't started investing yet. They saw this video and said, "Oh my God, we're gonna start investing." So if we did the 1,100 from age 40 to 62, that person would have 104,000 in their account. But wonder if that person got ultra aggressive. Wonder if that person became someone like we did. We sold everything and we sacrificed. We had another job. Let's say if that person put $250 in there a month after putting the 1,000 from age 40 to 62. He'd have 247,000 in there. Now we're starting to get some numbers that with Social Security and everything else that they may have stockpiled is really starting to look pretty good. It's not $1 million, it's not $500,000, but it's an opportunity. And what you find out is after you started this, for us anyways, we saw the money start growing. We just become more ultra aggressive. Every time we got a raise, we didn't take the raise. We lived off what we lived on, and we put that money towards our investments. Anything you want to say about this before I do another example?
I think this is one of the tools that, when you talk to young people, they're excited about making money. They're excited about being able to purchase their own things, buy their own cars, used or new, whatever it might be. But I think when you show them this calculator and you throw these figures out to them, I think it actually creates a different mindset for them.
It definitely did it with our kids. Our son and daughter are definitely investing, and they call us every couple months. "Hey Dad, guess what? Guess what's in my account right now? And look, it grew this much," and they just get excited. If you don't push that young person, or you don't really harper, I was pretty hard, not hard on our kids, but I definitely, Dave Ramsey and the Retirement Calculator came up quite a bit, especially when we were headed to sporting events. If they wanted nice cars, if they wanted to go on nice trips, then they had to sacrifice some point in their life, right? Mm-hmm. So let's do another example. And if you're getting anything out of this video, please hit the subscribe button. We're a small channel. We're trying to grow. We know our presentations aren't the greatest. I know I'm nervous. I don't know about you, but it isn't easy talking to the computer or to a camera and trying to make the computer work that's so everyone can understand it. But we will have the link down to the Dave Ramsey Retirement Calculator so you guys can go play with it. You can put in your own ages. You can go put in, maybe you already have 30 or 40,000. Why don't we do that? Why don't we say we're 50 years old and we want to retire at 65? 65. Let's say we've been sort of saving for retirement. We got a couple of Roth IRAs, or we have some 401ks built up, and we have, let's say, $50,000 in there. And we're going to contribute $500 a month from age 50 to 65 at a 10% rate of return. That's $429,000. That gets to a point where with Social Security, with this investment, maybe a side hustle, maybe a part-time job, maybe you feel like with your lifestyle you can live on $429,000 in your bank account and feel a lot better about retiring, right?
Yeah, I you just look at those numbers and I just get excited because I can see how hard that person would be working and saving to get where they want to be.
Right. So that person, what's exciting about me is that person only put in $140,000 with a 10% rate of return plus compound interest. That $140,000 made an extra $289,931. That's what excites me, is the compound interest, the interest rate on the compound interest, and how it grows over time. So that's what we're trying to share with you, that if you are watching this channel, our demographics are for 45 to 75. You more than likely have kids, you more than likely have grandchildren. If you can help them at that young age, as we've shown in the other examples, you can help them set up generational wealth. And it doesn't seem possible. You don't have to be a doctor, you don't have to be a lawyer, you don't have to be anybody that's making millions of dollars. You can be just the average person that's contributing, but doing it month after month after month. It's a grind. This is not pulling the lottery ticket and winning the lottery ticket. You have to do this for a long period of time to have these results. But I don't care if you're a truck driver, or if you work in a grocery store, or if you're a teacher or a policeman, firefighter, you all can be millionaires if you are due diligent about this and put forth that effort, right?
One of the most famous sayings that they have, which I find is a very teachable saying, is you can't get the same result by doing the same thing. You have to make the change.
Isn't that the definition of insanity?
Well, yes, it is.
Right. So if we keep doing the same thing and expect you to become a millionaire, expect you to retire early, it's not going to happen, right? Robin's 100% right. You need to make some sacrifices. You need to not go on that $15,000 or $20,000 vacation. Maybe you fully fund your Roth IRAs, both of you, and you make some sacrifices. If you want to get to our age, 57, and be heading out on a Rving trips like we are, and living in our RV and exploring the United States, then this didn't come easy. Nobody handed us a pot of cash. We did this for 30 years, and we got ultra aggressive about 12 years ago when we figured this all out. We were investing, but minimal. We weren't doing anything that was worth anything until about 12 or 14 years ago, and then we got serious. We wanted to bring this calculator to you guys today. If it helped any, then hit the subscribe button, hit the like button. But we wanted to share one of the most amazing tools that we have in our toolbox.
And so remember, to get something that you've never had before is to do something you've never done.